Focal point crown molding kits come with everything a DIYer will need to install crown molding in a room of their home. Each kit comes with quick clips. This patented feature is easily installed by attaching them to the wall with screws. They're used to clip on your crown molding. Polyurethane crown molding. Offered in 4 styles, this high-density foam comes primed and ready to paint. It easily attaches to the quick clips from the grooves in the back. Molding mates inside corners. These clip-on corner pieces eliminate the need for tough miters and easily snap over the molding. They allow over a 2-inch margin of error on your cuts. Molding mates connectors. The connectors easily snap onto a quick clip. They eliminate the need for finishing the joints where the molding pieces butt together on your wall. The Acropolis connectors are 2 3/4 inch wide, and they cover gaps up to that width. Corner kits. Have outside corners in your space? This kit is available as an add-on and includes an outside corner, an inside corner, and an additional piece of molding. The corner kit is for rooms with more than 4 inside corners. Screws. Our kits even include the screws you'll need to mount the clips to the wall. To install one of Focal Point's crown molding kits, you'll only need a few tools and supplies. For this installation, I used a screw gun, a drill, Rust-Oleum gloss protective enamel spray paint, a tape measure, a handsaw, a pen, caulk and caulk gun, small sponge, safety glasses, leftover paint from painting the bedroom, paintbrush, and cup. Now I'll walk you through the steps I took to install Focal Point's crown molding kit. For my installation, I took the additional steps of painting and caulking the molding. Step 1. Paint the molding. For this step, I simply used a glossy white enamel spray paint. For a 20 by 20 room kit with 2 corner kits, I used 1 can. Be sure to paint with long and steady strokes to keep the spray paint from running. This method of painting takes longer to dry than using a brush. Step 2. Pre-drill the clips. While waiting for the paint to dry, I began installing the clips. Since plaster is tougher than drywall, I needed to pre-drill my pilot holes for this step. Step 3. Install the quick clips and corner clips. Now that your holes are pre-drilled, you'll easily be able to install the clips. Install 1 clip in the center of each wall that will require more than 1 piece of molding. This is for the molding mate connector. The rest you can install 10 to 12 inches apart. Step 4. Measure your molding pieces. Measure all of your walls and then mark your moldings to the appropriate length. For longer walls where 2 pieces are needed, simply measure your moldings to meet at the center. This is where you'll place the connector pieces. Remember that the connectors and corner pieces allow for up to a 4-inch margin of error. Step 5. Cut the moldings. A handsaw is sufficient for cutting the moldings. Since they are a high-density foam, they'll easily cut with a handsaw. Step 6. Clipping the moldings onto the wall. The pieces should easily snap onto the clips. Simply use your palm to get the moldings to grab, as I'm doing in the video. Step 7. Install the molding mates connectors. Similar to the moldings, these pieces simply snap into place. Step 8. Install the inside and outside corner pieces. These pieces will clip over the molding pieces. For my bedroom, the corners were a breeze. The outside corners were included with the 2 corner kits I ordered for my bedroom. This is where the installation is complete for most. However, since my home is older and out of square, I decided to also use caulk to fill small gaps in my moldings and corners. Step 9. Caulking the molding. Simply cut the tip of the caulk tube at an angle so it evenly distributes on the molding. As you go, you'll want to smooth caulking with a damp sponge to remove any excess. Here was the finished result from the caulking. Step 10. Painting over excess caulk. There was a little bit too much caulk on my wall from the previous step, so I decided to paint over that using paint I had left over. I'm super happy with the results. The crown molding looks like it's professionally installed, and I was able to install it on my Saturday afternoon.